चलो start. So friends, atomic size is to be learned in periodic table. What happens to the atomic size in a group in a period? So first of all, let's revise what is a group in a periodic table, friends. Vertical columns are called groups. Vertical columns are called groups, and total 18 groups are there in periodic table. In a period, friends, 7 numbers, and they are horizontal rows from left to right. If we go from left to right, it is called a period. Total 7 periods are there in period table. So the atomic size is concerned with the radius of atom. Radius of atom is important, friends, and atomic size is to be check out what happens in a group in a period. So first of all, in a group, we consider the first group as an example: lithium, atomic number 3, sodium, atomic number 11, and friends, potassium, atomic number 19. Three elements are there. Rubidium, cesium, and francium are also there, but we are considering only to understand what happens in a group. So this is first group element here: lithium, sodium, potassium. If we think about the electronic configuration, this is 2, 1, K cell, L cell. Here is 2, 8, and 1, K, L, and M cell. And friends, in potassium, it's 2, 8, 8, 1. This is N cell. So this is about the electronic configuration of elements of first group. Now what happens in a group? So very important things are there. Concentrate here. As we go down the group, this is down the group. Atomic number increases. You can see 3, 11, 19. Atomic number increases. So number of protons in nucleus and total number of electron in atom also increases. We can see this is the last electron in L cell. Here is in M cell, and this is in N cell. So if we draw the structure, this is nucleus of lithium having 3 proton. This is first cell, K cell, having 2 electron. And then friends, this is L cell having 1 electron. So we just take this area as a radius. This is for lithium number 3. If we think for sodium afterwards, it is 11, and this is nucleus with 11 proton. This is K cell having 2 electrons. This is L cell having this 8 electrons. And then after, the last cell is M cell with 1 electron. So this is to be said radius of sodium. You can see simple thing, lithium to sodium, the atomic size increase. And if we think for potassium, it is 19 proton present in the nucleus, K cell, this is L cell, this is M cell, and this is N cell. Last electron in last N cell, here it is. So number of proton increase in nucleus, 3 proton, 11 proton, 19 proton. Total number of electrons are also increased as per its atomic number. The last electron is accommodate in outermost cell which is more far away in a sequence. So it is the last electron entered in L cell. It's, we can say, close to the nucleus. Here it is in M cell, somewhat far away. And friends, here it is in N cell, so more far away. So as we go down the group, the distance between nucleus and the last electron increases. So the atomic size increases down the group. This is equally applicable to all the groups. Here we have taken only group number 1, friends, but this is applicable to all groups equally. As we go down the group, same type of electronic configuration by changing little number of electron, and it will increase in size as we go down the group. Now in a period, what happens? So first of all, let's check few important elements. It is lithium once again, number 3. It's 2, 1, K cell, L cell. Atomic number 4 is beryllium. It's 2, 2. If we talk about oxygen, its atomic number is 6, 8, 2, 6. And friends, neon, it's number 10, 2, 8. So this all, I have skipped some elements because we have to consider them randomly. So total 4 elements are taken from the second period. In second period, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. 8 elements are present. Out of 8, we have taken 4 for example. Let's check it out what happens. So please, first of all, lithium, atomic number 3. So 3 protons are present in the nucleus. This is first cell in which 2 electrons are present. This is second cell, name L. Here is 1 electron present. So this is the atomic structure of lithium. If we think for beryllium, what happened here? Here are 4 protons present in the nucleus. This is first cell with 2 electron. Then this is L cell, second cell, having 2 electrons. This 2 electron will be attracted by nucleus or protons present in the nucleus. If we think for oxygen, it has 8 protons in the nucleus, 2 electron in the first cell, and in second cell it has total 6 electrons, friends, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see number of electrons are here, and all these electrons are attracted by the same nucleus. And last, friends, is neon. In neon, there are total 10 protons present in the nucleus. And friends, first cell, this is second cell, L cell having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 electrons. All these 8 electrons are attracted by nucleus. So we can write all these things in sentences. How? First of all, friends, as we go left to right in a period, as we go from left to right in a period, atomic number increases. You can see 3, 4, 8, 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, atomic number increases. So number of protons, that is positive charge in nucleus, and number of electron in outermost cell increases. So positive and negative charge, number of electron, that is negative charge, and number of proton, that is positive charge. So positive charge 3, 4, 8, 10 electrons you can see in outermost cell are increased. But friends, the last orbital, or we can say cell, remain same. So what happened, friends? The electrons are entering in the same cell. As you can see, this is L cell, this is L cell, L cell, and L cell. So number of cells are not increased. Electrons are entering the same cell. So the distance between last or outermost cell and nucleus does not increased. Instead of it, friends, as more electrons are attracted down the group, left to right, by more number of protons, this outermost cell will be contracted. So left to right side, atomic size decreases. You can see here one electron is attracted by one proton. For example, here lithium, here are two electrons are attracted by nucleus. This is total 6 electrons are attracted, and here are 8 electrons are attracted. Friends, the distance between nucleus and electrons cell is same, but as total number of electron increases, friends, they are attracted towards the nucleus, and that's why more the number of electrons are attracted, this cell will be contracted like this. This is original, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the cell will little much contracted. Due to this contraction, friends, the atomic size decreases. So you have to remember, as we go down the group, atomic size increases, and as we go left to right in a period, atomic size, friends, decreases. This is equally applicable to all without fail.